Hey everybody, so I got some stuff from Home Depot, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. It's for an upcoming project. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so I apologize, I should have done this first time, but I grabbed 4 10-foot 2x4s, and I grabbed these 3-foot by 5-foot 19 gauge wire, galvanized, 1/2-inch square mesh. Grab 2 of those. I grabbed a single box of 1.5-inch fencing staples, and I grabbed a single box of 7D 2.25-inch box galvanized penny nails, and I already started putting it together, but this is for a sleuth, not a sleuth box, but a sifter box. So get a little sneak peek that I already got the frame set up, and the 4 10-foot 2x4s. I'm using a Milwaukee square. I was using a Milwaukee Fuel Diablo with a Diablo blade, 5.25 inch. I believe this is what this is, and so everything I picked up was $60, and I'm using these Tough Built Sawhorse job tables. They're 2,600 pound max, I think, a pair, and 1,300 pound a piece, C700s. I'll put a link of all the tools I'm using, including this new True HVL skill saw. And I'll see you guys on the build video. Thank you guys for watching. Peace. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.